what causes hair loss and what can cause excessive shedding. We're talking about how all of this came out of my head at one time.
New life, new mind, all things behind. I'm feeling so brand new, baby. Everything new, baby.
What is up to all of my kings and queens? It's your girl Alexus Crown here, and I am back with another video for you guys. So today's video, I forgot my hairball. Hold on, let me go get it. Okay, so today's video, we're going to be talking about how all of this, can you see all of this hair at one time? It's a lot. It's dried up. It's been about 4 days. It's dried up, so it's kind of like shrunken. But when it was wet, it was huge. Like, you know how you have shrinkage when your hair dries? That's the same. So it has a little product in it. That's where the white is coming from. But we're talking about how all of this came out of my head at one time. Now, shout out to everybody that's still been watching me, that's still been hitting me up, keeping up with me, even though I've been gone. I've been getting my life together, but what's new? Everyone says that. Be consistent, sis. No one cares about excuses. All right, now that we got past that, let's get into the video. I'm here to talk about how I started to have like hair loss and what causes you better stop! What causes hair loss and what can cause excessive shedding. So this came from a wash period. Now, to be fair, I do have a lot of shedding during wash periods, but this was just excessive. Like, I wish I could have showed y'all when it was wet. Like, this was just the most. So I didn't write anything down, but just a few things off the top of my head. If you're having hair loss, it can be caused by a few things, because I know when I was sick at the beginning of the year 2018, I felt like I was starting to experience a little bit, but I was in and at the hospital and I was on medication for my stomach. So a few things can cause hair loss. Number one, I know some pregnant women say, like, after there's postpartum hair loss, if that's a thing, post-pregnancy hair loss. So sometimes, like, you can have that after you give birth. Medication, so like my case, when I was on my medication, I was having more hair shed. Like, my hair was shedding more than it usually does. Just stress, different types of birth control, just different things. It's like something's off with your hormones, basically. In my case, what caused this amount of excessive shedding was the fact that I hadn't washed my hair in over a month. It was extremely dry, extremely brittle, and I had to wash it, deep conditioning for 4 days, washed it again, put a hair mask in it, and then I finally just styled it. So it was about a week and a half to 2 weeks of me just taking care of my hair to bring it back to life and to rejuvenate it. So this was a result of me not washing my hair for over a month and just keeping it in a ponytail. So if you're having excessive shedding when you wash your hair, check out, you know, what you're intaking in your system. Try to get on some vitamins, but also see how much you are hydrating and moisturizing your hair. So for me, like, I usually just do my afro. That's not a very, like, hydrating hairstyle. Like, your hair gets pretty dry when you just wear an afro. So I'm starting to incorporate more hairstyles to where I'm required to put some type of cream, butter, or gel. Like, I do that normally, but excessive amounts to where it's like, okay, it's holding moisture. So yeah, I'm going to definitely start doing at least one protective style a month, because sis, like, if you're experiencing hair, like, excessive shedding, your hair is breaking off, then you can't retain length and you're actually going to start losing length. So that was my case. So I'm here to just give y'all this warning and spread the knowledge, spread the love that please, please, please moisturize your hair. Life can get busy. I was traveling from different states to state, doing this, doing that, and my hair was not a top priority for me. I just kept it in a ponytail, took it out for afro, kept it in a ponytail. But you have to take care of your hair. If you take care of your hair will take care of you and show you love by growing and looking glossy and flossy. So that's really all I have for you with that video. Be out here being smart with your hair decisions. Yes, my hair is still long. As you guys can see, this is just this part of my hair. It's folded over, so it's still long. I still have length, but I saw that if I didn't take care of that problem, it could have caused me, you know, long-term damage to where it was going to take a long time to recover from that. So thankfully I'm a hairy person, so getting this amount of hair back, it's not going to take long at all. And I've been taking hair vitamins for the past 4 months, but again, this can definitely cause serious damage as far as your healthy hair journey. Moral of the story, try to wash your hair at least every 2 weeks if it's not in a protective style. If it's in a protective style, you can go 3 to 4 weeks. But that's all I got for you guys today. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you've ever experienced anything like this or similar to the symptoms or causes that I named and what you did to recover from it. But I will see you guys next time. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.